equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively remove the hard drive from your HP15EG. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any damage. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Locate the hard drive, which is typically secured with additional screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, gently slide the hard drive out of its bay. Be careful not to pull on any cables connected to the hard drive. If you need to clean the internal components while you have the laptop open, use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop. After you have extracted the hard drive, you can replace it with a new one or store it safely. If you're unsure about the replacement process, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about calls or travel, and you can get a quote before any repair is done. To reassemble your laptop, simply reverse the steps. Slide the back panel back into place, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, securing the back panel firmly. Finally, power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you with any technical difficulties you may face. Remember, our services include a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision about your laptop repairs without any surprises. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.